Hello, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano ayusin ang sirang portable refrigerator. As you can see, ito yung sirang spare parts ng ref. So, okay. So, atin ang simulan. Okay, ito yung thermostat ng ref. By the way, na-check na natin yung cord ng unit at ang compressor and the overload. Okay, take note with this symbol or letter. Letter C means compressor, then L is the line. Should observe polarity sa pag-connect ng thermostat sa unit. Okay, this time i-check natin yung thermostat using the multitester. Set the meter either X1 or X10, then calibrate the meter. Connect the test probe sa terminal ng thermostat. Dapat pag i-on, may reading, then off, walang reading. You can see, naka-on na yung switch pero walang reading. Ibig sabihin, sira itong switch or itong thermostat. Okay, meron na tayong nabiling bagong thermostat. So this time, ikabit natin yung bagong switch sa unit. Please observe polarity. Yung letter C, i-connect papuntang compressor. Yung letter L naman, i-connect papuntang line o yung papuntang plug. Okay, nakabit na natin yung switch. So bago natin i-connect sa source of power, let's check the unit using the meter. Pag i-on, may reading, then off, no reading. Okay, so lagyan natin ng bottle of water.
A few moments later.
Yan, malamig na yung tubig na nilagay natin kanina sa ref. Okay, that's it. If you like this video, please hit the like button and consider it subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching.